recently took the wraps of the Huracan Sterrato and has also announced its prices for India. The Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato is the high-riding iteration of the Huracan and is priced at 4 crore 61 lakh rupees in our market. Only 1,499 units of the Huracan Sterrato will be manufactured beginning February 2023. Lamborghini already received double-digit bookings for the model in India, and it will prioritize its deliveries, India being amongst the top 15 markets for the Italian supercar maker. The Sterrato gets an off-road inspired suspension and sits 44mm higher than the standard Huracan. Suspension travel is enhanced by 33mm up front and 34mm at the rear. The 19-inch alloy wheels are shod in Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires. Braking duties are handled by the massive 380mm carbon ceramic discs paired with 6 piston calipers up front and 356mm discs at the rear paired with 4 piston calipers. Drive modes too have been upgraded to meet the off-road capabilities, with Strada and Sport modes being recalibrated, while the Corsa mode from the standard Huracan is replaced by a Rally mode. Other onboard electronics have been recalibrated as well, while the cabin remains almost identical to the standard Huracan. Powering this beast is Lamborghini's 5.2-litre naturally aspirated V10 motor, churning out 602 brake horsepower and 560 Nm of peak torque. It has been mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox coupled with the all-wheel drive system. It does the 0 to 100 km/h sprint in just 3.4 seconds and in turn a top speed of 260 km/h. Nitin Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways, confirmed that more than 18 lakh electric vehicles have already been registered in India, including electric cars and SUVs, electric two-wheelers and electric buses among others. Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and Maharashtra have emerged as the leading states in EV sales, with Uttar Pradesh leading the charge followed by Delhi and Maharashtra. At present, over 5,151 public EV charging stations are operational across the country. The new Mercedes-Benz GLC has been crash tested by the Euro NCAP assessment program, with the premium SUV scoring an impressive 5-star rating. It scored 92% in adult occupant protection and 90% in child occupant protection. Whiplash protection too was good for both front and rear passengers. The SUV scored 74% in pedestrian protection, while the AEB systems showed good results at 84%, identifying other road users and mitigating collisions.